The analysis, whatever I am doing with regard to the stray dog menace in our society, it is going to hurt you for sure. Why? Because Supreme Court is also hurting you already, saying that this stray dog or the pet dogs menace is increasing day by day in our country. They are killing toddlers, they are killing infants, okay, they are killing the single childs of a particular parents. So every other day the dog menace has been increasing across the society because your irresponsible behavior. At the end, what is happening, one particular parent is losing their child, suffering, making the chronic suffering of their, seeing the chronic suffering of their child in the form of a rabies. They would have become engineer, they would have become doctor, they would have become just like you as a choreographer or as a dancer or as a singer, or would have played for the country, okay, and got the name for the country too. But what have you done? Because of your irresponsible, because of this stray dog menace, what is happening here is they have lost their life. They are suffering from a chronic unsound minded disease which is called as rabies. Okay, so you think that dog is a very, you are actually, the one important point that I would like to say is that dog naturally is, you are not letting it to live in a natural environment which it's supposed to live. Okay, you are bringing it into the home, that is the isolated environment to the dog. That's why it behaves in such a way. Leave the dogs, leave the pets, okay, in the natural environment, they will survive. That's the ecosystem, how it functions. But you will not understand all of this, I know about it very clearly. But let us make a deal today. Okay, just like if a son does any kind of mistake, we'll take the responsibility. The parents are not. Suppose my son has hit any particular vehicle and the particular person is asking me some amount of money, I will compensate or not. Yes, in the same way, if you consider and if you have that much of love for your dogs, so we will also make a deal. So government of India, government of Telangana, in the local laws, please initiate a law which is nothing but Pet Regulation and Compensation Act of 2026. Pet Regulation and Compensation Act. In this, let us write like this: if any pet dogs, because of the pet dog, if anybody gets any rabies, the owner has to pay 50 lakh compensation. If anybody dies, just like in the IPC section, she or he should also go for the imprisonment for 20 years. So I am telling you, no, if this particular bill, okay, pass like this Pet Regulation and Compensation Act, okay, then all the owners of the dog will leave and throw the dogs on the roads. I will guarantee they will not take the responsibility at all, because they have their own children and dog does not matter to them. It just matter to them just because they wanted to show. And this kind of habit is there only in the upper middle class. Rich people generally don't have association with the pets and all, barring few. But upper middle class just want to show some kind of like, okay, class or poshness, etc. So and so forth. They do this kind of things and put the society under risk. So let you take the responsibility. We will agree to